Hi, hello. Let's please take a pause and read the disclaimer one and disclaimer two as well. Don't take any financial decisions without any proper knowledge or based on influencers or anyone, including me. Don't take blindly any positions or investment based on this. And these are the most commonly make mistake. And as a part of daily activity, just please take pause and read out and try to follow that. This will help you in successful in trading and investments. And let's move on to our series. What happened to our series? Let's see. And today, 31st October, and in our series, we are following set of rules. And here you can see the total money and additional money. If we record 50,000, we can add and risk reward percentage, all those. And based on this, maximum loss and maximum profit, the risk reward will be there. Today the value changed because I made a small adjustment. So and this also is within the limit. Sorry, earlier it was slightly over the range, and now it is within the limit, within the range. And then this is the realized profit. As I said, I made an adjustment, and today I booked a profit. So 6270 will be there. Unrealized profit minus 6840 is there. And here also maximum loss, which includes both these two everything. And discipline required will be 100% and hard work and smart work will be less. Capital we are going for many. And here in these rules will be low risk taker, low capital, two strategy allowed ones. We are not going to mess up by adding more and more strategy. Only we will follow simple strategy, but maybe the n will be more like we may keep more number of quantities. Adjustment allowed only once per day. It means like we are not going to do any over trading here, not reacting to everyday ups and moves. It means like we are not going to panic or greedy because of that we won't take any decisions. These are the things we kept it just to avoid the most commonly make mistakes, which I shared in the previous slide. And these are the day one, day zero, day one, day two, and we are in the day four. And we started with this position, and we were keep tracking all those things, even including IV. And there will be big ups and downs for we are capturing. And now finally we are in the day five. And here I booked one of the position like 25,000 CE. I sold it, but now in the today session. Today is Deepavali, so we have the holiday. So I booked just try to do adjust the position. So what I did, like I thought of sold it at lesser price, and again bought at lower price, and again uh, when it is bounced back, and I thought of sell it again, so that I will get extra 20 more points, around 2,000 rupees extra or something. But what happened? It didn't bounce back only until 245 or something, and later very late it bounced back. But I can't take risk. So what I did, I from 24,000 CE to I sold it 24,900 CE. So it nothing but I closed the 25,000 CE position and opened 24,900. So because of that, and after that again it's bounced back. I said right, it's 10 more points added, so it will be minus around 1,000 rupees loss. And the booked profit is 6270. And let's see what will happen in the upcoming session. And yesterday, last few days, if you see the P IV will be keep going up. Now today it's a little bit lower compared to the yesterday, and it's better. I will think it's good to think. And tomorrow also, what I'm thinking, like as the monthly expiry closed, I'm thinking uh, it is going to rebound. Like it means like it will go up, and I want to rearrange this position again. Like it will go up again, and it will then again it will start go down. At least 300, 400 point it will go up. I feel that. So, but this Spiny Mouse, I can't take more risk. I can't do many adjustments. So, just let's see. I will try to make adjustment tomorrow, if possible. Otherwise, I will do it on the Monday once it is started going up. Let's see the graph. And this is the current status, minus 6,000 something we are getting in 28 days will be there. And as I said, it's 24,200 currently, but I believe it will go up at least 24,500, 600. Then again, it can go up, or a higher chance it will go down. So this thing we will check it on tomorrow session, and until that wait, and happy Deepavali to everyone, those who celebrated today and tomorrow also. Some people may celebrate, so call them also advance happy Deepavali.